The Material World 26. I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is important to understand that even though people strive in this material world in order to achieve peace of mind, it is not possible to achieve in this world, as it has not been placed in the material world. Chapter 13 Arad, verse 28.
Unquestionably, by the remembrance of Allah hearts are assured.
Even though this fact eludes many, it is quite obvious that the more one strives in this material world, the more doors they open to the material world. Fulfilling one worldly task leads to 10 others. So a person moves from one preoccupation to another, with the no end in sight until they depart this world. The only way to obtain some peace in this world is through the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience. This Muslim will be granted peace of mind by Allah, the Exalted. But even then, it is important to understand that true, lasting peace of mind is only found in the hereafter. This is because no matter how good someone's life is, even if they reach a point where they have no worldly or religious responsibilities, as they have discharged them all, and they have no other things to deal with even then, the reality of death, the grave and judgment day will prevent them from obtaining true lasting peace. Therefore, a Muslim should understand this reality, as it helps one to remain patient when dealing with life and what it brings, and it encourages a Muslim to strive in preparation for the hereafter, so that they can achieve true lasting peace by obtaining the gardens of refuge and an eternal resting place. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.